Hi and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will create this kind of wire Christmas tree earrings. For it you will need memory wire, bend the wire and make a loop to attach our hook. Loop is ready. I take 4mm Bicon crystal in red AB color. I put it on the top and I bend my wire this way, and this will be a top of our Christmas tree. And now we will create our base for future Christmas tree. For it, take round nose pliers, hold the wire and start to bend all around our wires. Then we will make it more straight, but first we have to make our shape. Maybe there is another ways how you can do it, but I decided to try this method, as I think a lot of creators has only round nose pliers and some wire and don't want to buy any more new things. So I will show you how I did it. You just bend around the pliers, then take out our pliers, and now we will need to make our Christmas tree. We just bend the wire how we need and make it straight. Of course, I'm sure there is another ways how to do it, but when I found this beautiful Christmas tree in internet, I just wanted to try it out to make it. We need 1, 2, 3, 4 layers. The hardest part is for me to make our shape, but as always we will manage to do it. 1, 2, 3 and the last round. You can use maybe softer wire, but then shape won't stay as we need. Here is a bit hard with this memory wire, but then our shape will stay as we need and won't bend. So that's why this is the hardest part, and then we will just enjoy our creation. So we'll count again, 1, 2, 3, 4, check. So I will make it a bit more straight, and here I have 3 colors of seed beads, and I will take them in different colors in random. We continue the same till the end of our Christmas tree. Now I have seed beads on the wire, and I checked with my second earring. I need a bit bend of my lowest layer. As you can see, I just do it with my fingers. And I put layers on the place where I need. I just make it with my fingers. It won't be so perfect. For me, fine as well. For me, it's important to materialize my idea straight away. I will create a bit more of seed beads, as I understand that if I don't create something straight away when my muse came, I don't create it at all. I forget about it, and then I remember half year later when it's already too late. So that's why I gave myself a promise that I will create everything what comes to my mind straight away. Okay, let's check. It is almost the same. I will just protect beads from falling by bending another end of the wire, that my beads are not falling down. We'll continue to make our Christmas tree a bit smaller. As you can see, I bent it enough, so they're almost the same. I will bend wire this way. To make a loop, I will cut extra wire and I will create a small loop to attach pearl to the end of our Christmas tree. In this way. And a bit bent. Let's check again. Okay, then I take pearl, pin, I will bend the pin, cut extra wire, extra of the pin, and make a loop. Then attach this pearl to our Christmas tree. Close it properly. And we will need to attach our hook. Take our hook, open the loop on it, and attach it to our Christmas tree. Our earrings are ready. They're so cute, I really like them. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, to like this video and comment below if you have any questions, suggestions to my channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a lovely day. Bye.